what would we call a letter that somebody writes to win a competition?
Enter. Like competition and enter.
Yes, very good.
Competition entry.
Competition entry. More than one. Competition entries.
Competition entry. Competition entries.
This man was an entrant in the competition. He wrote an entry. He won a car. What do we call him?
Winner.
Excellent. Lucky competition winner.
Lucky competition winner.
He doesn't deserve a new car.
Ina, who deserves a car more? Mrs. Charlotte Lavender or Mr. Garrett?
Mrs. Charlotte.
Why?
Because she have more experience for driving, and she has children.
Good answer.
But she has a car, and that man don't have a car. Doesn't have a car.
True.
Yeah, but he work part time, and he wants car because impress her girlfriend.
Yes, it's very good for travel.
And she has 2 children and drive. They
no, it's period for romantic. 15 years they live alone without kids. They have another life. It's I think it's like that.
Okay.
Without children, without
no children, they grow up.
Of course, they so big. Yeah, they travel alone without parents.
Okay.
Why I say
how you said?
I want to use with my hand because we have 15 and how is the
see my screen?
Yes.
Excellent. Is there anything wrong with this letter?
I see one mistake. Dear without E. Yes.
And I must be a capital letter. And from new up.
New line.
New line, yeah.
Now, if I am the editor of this newspaper, it's so difficult. 50th anniversary with a husband to go to Rome as a surprise and spend time together.
Yeah, it's nice.
Propose to your girlfriend in Paris. And I like that you put, I hope you are romantic like me. So I will read and think, Or to go to the Ukraine because you were born there, but your children have never been. I think because of the children, it has to be Laura. It has to be.
Me too.
Yeah. So we all agree Laura should win the holiday to the Ukraine.
Yeah.
Oh,
Excellent.
thank you.
Well done, Laura.
Thank you.
Natalie.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Thank you. What I win is I am go to Ukraine. You win the ticket for the flight.
Yeah, yeah.
I
Yeah,
win
I think
ticket
you
for the
win.
flight.
You win the whole holiday.
Oh, whole holiday. Okay.
Hotel, food,
Oh,
clothes, spending money.
I'm lucky today. I'm lucky today.
You're the lucky competition winner.